Today I have lots of work after the weekend, and I'm trying to get everything fixed, or as much as I can. I have those two machines here. This one is a Breville, I'm not sure what's the model of it, but this one is a little older machine. I can test it after. It's a nice machine though. Let's see what's the customer complaint. So I have to fill the tank. Okay, at the same time I got another one. It's from the same customer. Looks like he maybe tried to do some work on it. I'm not sure, I'll have to check. So this one, customer complaint, I remember that there was the coffee is not going through the spouts, so you think just needs some cleaning, so that's easy. And this one, he said there is not enough pressure, so it should be between, you see this mark, 7.5 to 9.5, but I guess it's not going all the way, and I'll check why. I'm just gonna fill it up with some water and I'll come back. So it needs some descale from what I can see. The temperature is raising up, which is good. Now I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna have to, this one doesn't have a grinder, so I have a grinder upstairs. I'm gonna have to, oh, that's pretty tough. Maybe needs some cleaning, I don't know. But I can hear the boiler is going good. So it's a similar machine to 990. It's just I think a couple years older without the grinder. You don't have the built-in grinder, so you have to have a separate unit. Yeah, I can feel that the boilers are getting hot. Customer complaint, as I mentioned before, not enough pressure, so I'll see why. And also, I believe the customer also mentioned that the pump, he thinks the pump is good. So this is an issue with pressure here, so I will see why. Maybe I will start diagnosing this one too, just in the meantime. Actually, you know what? No, I will. I don't want to mix up things. So yeah, let's do first diagnostics on this machine, then I will go back to this DeLonghi machine. I don't want to mix all the videos together, so let's do it one by one. I'm just trying to get those things diagnosed as fast as I can, because I have more work today coming, and we'll see. Might be a long day today, we'll see. I'm just gonna stop the video and then I'll come back once it reaches the temperature. It's almost there. It should be about 100 degrees, but it's almost there. I'll come back in a second. I opened the machine, the top cover. Now let's do one shot. We have a bad pump, I can tell right away. So we have two pumps here, the smaller one and the bigger one. Because I'm gonna do, if the customer will approve, so I can see the problem. Actually, one thing I want to mention, that the heating probes on this unit is actually good. There's no problems there. Look, there's, so I guess the older units, not the maybe it's an Oracle, I'm not sure, I have to check the model number. Here it's BES900, so it's an older model, but you see there was no problems with the heating probes on this one, although they did put a control board as well. There's a triac board on top, but there's no problems there, so I'm not sure what's the reason behind this machine, but it's definitely a more quality machine, or sometimes it also depends on the user. But here I can see there's a problem. So there's a bigger pump right here and a smaller pump. The smaller pump is the one that brings water to the boiler, and the bigger pump is transferring water from this boiler to this boiler and creates pressure. Right here, see, it's working. But you see how slow it is? And listen to the pump. Yeah, pump is gone. So I'll recommend the customer replacing those two pumps as well. It's common problem on those Brevilles, and if I will take the age of the machine, it's probably around, I would say, between 7 to 10 years. I would recommend replacing those two parts, and then after replacement that should be all good to go. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care.